How to make money from cryptocurrency, step by step for beginners. Are you ready to discover the secrets of making money from cryptocurrency? This isn't just for tech wizards. It's for you, whether you're a beginner or just curious. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to make your first move in the crypto world. Easy steps, no experience needed. Start today. Before we dive into earning, let's first understand cryptocurrency. Think of it as digital money that exists only online. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity like a government or bank controls it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are some popular examples. Imagine you trade your lunch for a friend's snacks at school. Cryptocurrency allows you to do something similar, but digitally. You exchange value online without needing a middleman. Cryptocurrency equals digital money. Now let's explore how you can make money with cryptocurrency. Here are the top actionable methods. Buy low, sell high. It's as simple as that. Example, buy Bitcoin for $100, sell it at $150. That's $50 profit. Pro tip, use beginner-friendly apps like Coinbase or Binance to get started. Hold on for dear life. Buy and keep cryptocurrency for months or years. Example, a $1,000 investment in Bitcoin in 2017 could be worth over $30,000 in 2025. Action step, research projects with strong fundamentals like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Earn rewards by locking up your crypto. Platforms like Binance and Kraken offer up to 10% annual rewards. Think of it like earning interest in a savings account. Yes, you can make money playing games. Platforms like Axie Infinity reward you with cryptocurrency. Action step, download a play-to-earn game and start small. Got skills? Offer them online and get paid in crypto. Websites like Bitwage and CryptoGrind connect freelancers with clients who paid in cryptocurrency. If you have a powerful computer, mining could be your way to earn crypto. Action step, join a mining pool to start small. Let's create a simple, actionable plan to get you started today. Download a wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask to store your crypto securely. Sign up for an exchange like Coinbase or Binance to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Invest just $10 in Bitcoin or Ethereum to get comfortable with the process. Follow crypto news and join online communities on Reddit or Twitter. Now let's address the big question. Is cryptocurrency safe to invest in? And how does it compare to traditional money and banks? Crypto prices can skyrocket or plummet quickly, offering high rewards but also higher risks. Fiat money, like dollars or euros, is much more stable. Crypto uses blockchain technology for secure transactions, but you're responsible for safeguarding your wallet. Banks, on the other hand, offer insurance and support but rely on centralized systems. Crypto operates globally and independently of governments, providing financial freedom. However, fiat money in banks is regulated and insured. Fiat money loses value over time due to inflation. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, with limited supply, resist inflation and can gain value. The bottom line? Cryptocurrency is as safe as you make it. Educate yourself, start small, and always use trusted platforms. If you're still unsure about crypto, let's look at some big names who believe in its future. CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, is one of the most vocal supporters of cryptocurrency. He's particularly fond of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, and Tesla even accepted Bitcoin for payments at one point. The co-founder of Twitter and Block, formerly Square, Jack Dorsey, is a staunch advocate for Bitcoin. He believes it's the key to a global financial revolution and has invested heavily in Bitcoin projects. Yes, even celebrities like Snoop Dogg are into crypto. He has endorsed NFTs and owns cryptocurrency himself, proving that crypto isn't just for tech geeks. If these influential figures see the potential in cryptocurrency, it's worth exploring for yourself. Now it's your turn. Download a crypto wallet, sign up for an exchange, and tell me in the comments which cryptocurrency you bought first. Was it Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe Dogecoin? What's your first crypto purchase? Share below. I'll respond to your comments and share tips on your journey. Let's make this interactive. If you found this video helpful, Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Share this video with a friend who's curious about crypto. Let's make 2025 the year you start earning smarter and growing your wealth together. Subscribe now.